Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I want to show you how to download and install the APKTime to your Android TV without downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the APKTime application to your Android TV or to your TV with an Android operating system without using downloader, this is what to do. So on your Android TV, go over to your browser. I'm going to be using the Google browser. That's what I love using the most. Go over to your browser, and on your browser, just search for the application which is APKTime. So I type APKTime. Here's the application over here. If I click this, I'm going to find lots of options, but the one I'm looking for is this option for Malavida, the third option on my list here. So I go over here and I click on it, and it's going to bring me to this page over here where I see the option that says download APK. So I'll click on download APK and it brings me to the official download button. So just give it a second. Once it's done, click on download and the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV. So just click on download over here and then we'll wait for the application to download. Now once it's done downloading, just click on open and then it's going to come over to the install button and I can go ahead and install the application to my Android TV. So that's how to install the APKTime application to your Android TV without using downloader. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.